Hello friends, good afternoon. Are you happy today? Do you want to learn how to speak perfect English? Okay, if you honestly want to learn how to speak fluent English, then please watch this video till the end. Like and share and subscribe my video. Okay, I would like to give some points which will be more lucrative as well as profitable for you. So please, if you honestly want to learn how to speak perfect English, then first of all you will have to take an oath that unless I become able to speak perfect English, I will continue my English speaking practice. I will not give up it in the middle. If you do this task regularly, even without missing a single day, very soon you can learn how to speak perfect English. First of all, what all you have to do? You have to do at least 2 or 3 pages you have to read. At least 2 or 3 pages you have to write. At least half an hour you have to listen. And third one is more essential. You have to speak in English. Now the question arises that I don't know English. How can I speak in English? So don't worry about it, because 1 or 2 word you can use English, and baki remaining all word you have to use of your mother tongue, and gradually you will make the sentence, and after some time you will able to make full sentence in English language. You don't worry about making mistake. You make 100 mistake, you make 1000 mistake, but please make mistake. And you don't worry about the people, that when I speak in English, people will laugh on me. You don't worry about the people, you let them laugh. You do your task, and you do 4 tasks regularly, even without missing a single day. Within a couple of months, you will able to speak good English. But please take proper care. You have to do 4 tasks regularly without missing a single day. Very soon you will able to speak good English. As far as the English is concerned, English is the global language. Everywhere English is spoken. English is spoken in every corner of the world, and in the next 15 years, English will be more essential, and all the students who are getting their education in English medium, they will speak in English. Under the situation, if you are not able to speak good English, what will you do? So at this time, you have good opportunity to learn the English speaking. So every bhasha can be learned, but every success needs the sacrifice. Every success needs hard work. If you are ready to hard work, you can learn the English language. So I think if you do something regularly, its positive consequences comes gradually. It doesn't happen in a day, but it will happen one day. All of sudden nothing happens, but gradually everything happens. So please have faith on your study and do this task constantly without missing a single day. Very soon you will able to speak perfect English. Thank you for watching this video.